What a dry piece of wood. Dry piece of wood this, can't catch fire. You man, I want dry piece of wood. Manners. You know how not a manners. All you had to walk a tear in a people's face. You feel have manners, Me know your mama and papa grow you up better. You feel have manners. You hear? Ambition. Watch him have the truck. Your mama and papa send you to school and you depend on the road a have truck. Not a ambition. Jamaican culture. What is Jamaican culture? Jamaican culture consists of the norms, religion, values, and lifestyle that define the people of Jamaica. The culture is mixed with an unethically diverse society stemming from history of inhabitants, beginning with the original inhabitants of Jamaica, the Taínos. The Spaniards, yes, the Spaniards were the original who brought slavery to Jamaica. And that's Jamaican culture. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Me go chop up that piece of wood. No. Me cook.